Hey everyone, Casey Dimon here. We're talking about tax sales in the state of Mississippi. Now, Mississippi is a tax lien state. If you're unfamiliar with this process, what happens is that once the taxes fall delinquent, the county will sell a lien against the property to an investor who's hoping to earn interest on their money. You're buying a lien against the property and not an actual deed to the property, as would be the case in a tax deed state. So again, Mississippi is a tax lien state. Now, Mississippi does use what is called an overbid system. This means that the bidder who is willing to pay the most amount of money for the rights to collect on that lien will become the winner of that lien. In an overbid state, the winning bidder will generally be required to pay more than face value in order to win the rights to that lien. The overbid does not get returned to the investor, and in the state of Mississippi, it does not earn any sort of interest. The idea here with this system is that the interest earned on the lien will cover that overbid amount, and everything else on top of it is going to be profit. For example, if a lien is worth $100 and your bid is $110, you would need to make $10 worth of interest to cover your overbid amount and then to break even. Now, there is a 2-year redemption period allowed for property owners to pay those delinquent taxes and to cancel that lien. If the lien is canceled during this time, the lien holder will receive 1.5% penalty per month or 18% per year. If the property is not redeemed, the tax lien holder can then apply for a deed for the property through the chancery clerk. Now, if a lien is not sold at the auction, that lien is going to be transferred to the state, although this happens very, very rarely in the state of Mississippi. The process is handled by the tax collector's office, and the sales are generally going to be held yearly, either in April or August. Now, some counties will post their list online, but typically what I found is the best method of locating these properties is to contact the local newspaper and do everything the old-fashioned way. Now, most counties will not provide any sort of printed list for you, and if they do, it is usually going to come with some sort of fee attached to it. Additionally, be mindful that liens are canceled off of that list up until the day of auction, so don't fall in love with any of those liens. Now, auctions generally will require in-person bids by either the investor themselves or an agent that they send, and some counties might even require registration prior to the day of sale. Additionally, proof of funds will be required by many counties prior to giving you your registration and your bidder number. And some of these counties will even hold a deposit. Now, some counties do also accept credit cards as well, which is an additional bonus, even though most are going to charge you some sort of convenience fee for accepting those cards. Now, be aware that tax lien sales in certain counties can be very lengthy. Some of these can last more than a week long, so be sure that you schedule accordingly. For more information on a specific area, contact the county tax collector in that area. To read all the laws that will apply to the Mississippi tax lien sales, take a look over at Google and search Mississippi Code sections 27-41-49 to 27-41-89. I really hope you've enjoyed this video, the breakdown of Mississippi's tax sale laws. To read more about other states, head on over to taxsaleacademy.com and click on our state guide. Have a wonderful day, folks. Take care. Bye-bye.